In this video, we will learn how to create exercises using the exercise editor on your Sanako Connect. Begin by navigating over to Exercises in your teacher interface and click on New Exercise. Give the exercise a name and click on the plus sign under the editor as highlighted below. This opens up the exercise editor. You can use the editor to add different parts of your exercise by clicking on them. The exercise editor looks like this. There are a number of different content parts. First, the text. This allows you to add text to your exercise. This can be, for example, instructions, prompts, chapters from a book, and so on. The editor also supports images. The record audio allows you to record audio by using your microphone. You can use this part for audio-based prompts, example phrases, and so on.
You will hear a telephone conversation between a customer and an agent at a company which ships large boxes overseas.
The file allows you to include files within an exercise. For example, you could include images, PDFs, presentations, and so forth. Anything that is relevant to the exercise. The embed content. This is a more advanced feature. It can be used to include content from other websites and generate embedded codes, like Google Maps, for example. The YouTube embed allows you to embed YouTube videos within your exercises. Vimo and Dailymotion are also supported. The web page embed allows you to embed an entire web page within the exercise. Note, some websites don't allow embedding, so it's a good idea to check if the embedded page is displayed properly before sharing the exercise with your students. The task part. This includes recorders. There are two different recorders in Connect, simple and advanced. Let's look at how they are used in an exercise. With the simple recorder, this part adds a recorder to your exercise. By default, it will record the individual student working on the exercise. However, there is a setting at the bottom of the simple recorder which will record all incoming audio streams as well. If this selection is made, everything the student hears through Connect is recorded as well. This can mean their pair group, the teacher's voice, the audio streamed by the teacher, etc., will also be recorded too. The advanced recorder. This part is a 2-track recorder. This means that there's an assignable master track and another track for recording student audio. You can use audio and an MP3 video file as the master track. You can also easily record yourself as the master track by clicking on the record button. Note, recording yourself is a quick and convenient way to create repeat after me exercises for self-study. Simply click on record, read your list of words or sentences, and the recording is automatically assigned as the master track. File upload. This part allows your student to upload files which are included when they submit the exercise. For example, a Word document essay, their presentation, etc. Writing space. This part allows your students to write long-form answers. These answers, however, are not automatically graded. Multiple choice. This part allows you to create multiple choice questions. They are automatically graded after students submit the answers back to you. Q&A. This part allows you to create questions with a definite correct answer. These are also automatically graded when students submit the answers back to you. Gap fill. This part allows you to create gap fill or fill in the blank type exercises. Simply copy and paste the text in, highlight a section, and click on Gap to create the gaps. The Pronounce feature is an automated pronunciation grading tool. This transforms any text into spoken audio. Students record their own voice for comparison. This is an automated feedback and scoring feature. Finally, flashcards. Teach vocabulary with flashcards. Digital flashcards help your students to memorize vocabulary and practice for exams. Create and share flashcard decks, add pictures for visual aid, and see your students' progress. And now you're ready to create your own exercises in your Sanako Connect. Stay tuned to our next video, where we will learn how to share and launch these exercises to your students.